बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम रब्बिश्रह सदरी वयस्सिर ली अमरी वहलुल उक़दतम मिन लिसानी यफ़क़हू क़ौली. Students, today's topic is set. In my last lecture, I told you the three notations of set. Means I told you that A is equals to set of natural numbers less than 6. This is descriptive notation which is quite easy to understand and quite easy to write. आप अपनी लैंग्वेज में इसको एक्सप्लेन कर दें कि सेट ए के क्या एलिमेंट्स हैं. ओके, देन देयर इज अ tabular notation. Tabular notation is also very easy. In this notation you just write the elements in the curly bracket, like A is equals to 1 2 3 4 5. A is the name of this set whose elements are 1 2 3 4 5. This is called tabular form. Now this is set builder form. How to read it? A is equals to x such that, this is the symbol of such that. We also use this sign for such that. X such that, x इस तरह से है x less than 6 के x जो है वो 6 से छोटा है. Now अब स्टूडेंट्स मुझसे पूछते हैं अक्सर कि मिस अगर इसका नाम A है तो फिर ये इसका नेम नहीं है. Now let me explain you. Suppose this X is a box. Okay, this X is a box and the elements are inside this box. What are the elements? Elements are X less than 6, means all the elements are inside this box. 1 2 3 4 5. No, less than 6 means only 5. Now this box is X and elements are in this box. अब आप कोई सा भी एलिमेंट निकाल लें इस बॉक्स में से, उसकी डिस्क्रिप्शन क्या है? वो 6 से छोटा है. अगर आप 1 बाहर निकालते हैं, 1 इज लेस देन 6. अगर आप 2 बाहर निकालते हैं, 2 इज लेस देन 6. 5 is less than 6. So this X, you can suppose that this X is a box in which all these elements are stored. Now what about this? This is the name of this box. क्योंकि ये बॉक्स इस कर्ली ब्रैकेट में स्टोर है और जब भी कोई कर्ली ब्रैकेट में स्टोर होते हैं एलिमेंट्स, उसको हम कहते हैं वो सेट है. तो इस सेट का नाम A है और इस A में एक बॉक्स है जिसके अंदर जो एलिमेंट्स हैं वो लेस देन 6 हैं. आई होप यू अंडरस्टैंड दिस. और इसको हम कहते हैं सेट बिल्डर फॉर्म. नाउ द क्वेश्चन इज राइट द फॉलोइंग सेट्स इन द सेट बिल्डर फॉर्म. विच फॉर्म इज दिस, or you can say which notation is this? This is tabular notation and you have to convert this tabular notation into set builder form. Now let's start. P is equals to, P is the name of this set. P is equals to, open curly brackets. Now the name of a box. It could be of your choice. आप इसका बॉक्स का नाम कुछ भी रख सकते हैं. Either it could be X, it could be Y or any alphabet. I am taking X. P is equals to X such that, X किस तरह से है? is English alphabets. Always remember to close the bracket. Now the second is M is equals to 2. M is equals to, open curly bracket. Here I am taking the name of box Y. Y such that, or I can also use this symbol. Y such that is smallest even number. Close the curly bracket. What is the description of this 2? It could be a smallest even number, or you can also say that y such that is a smallest prime number. Now question is, write the following sets in a tabular form. How will you write it in the tabular form? Set of days in a week. First you will write the name of the set. I am taking it A. A is equals to, now open curly brackets, the set of days in a week. You know very well the days in a week are Saturday, Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, and close the curly bracket. Now second question is, set of odd numbers between 10 and 20. I am taking the name of set B. B is equals to, now the description is, these are odd numbers. Odd number starts from 1, between 10 and 20. Between 10 and 20, after 10. Which is the first odd number after 10? It is 11. Then 13. Then 15. Then 17. And the last is 90. अच्छा, अब हम 20 से लेस लिखेंगे because it is between 10 and 20. It is 19. Okay. Now this is tabular form.
This is enough for today. See you soon with another topic. Allah Hafiz.